us. So going back to the story of Yusuf alayhi salatu wasalam, here are the brothers. The brothers are jealous of their own blood. Imagine, they came from the same father, different mothers, but they were part of one clan, one group, siblings. Who was the father? A great man, a noble man, a prophet of Allah. Do you think he failed in the upbringing of the children? Not at all. But shaitan comes even to the best of us. And what does he try and do? Take away the qualities you're supposed to be having and give you things that you're not supposed to be having. If it happened to him, wallahi, it can happen to me. If it happened to them, it can happen to us. Am I right? So the same thing we need to ask ourselves constantly, how can I improve myself? The qualities of the heart, they would result, if I didn't check them, in my failure, in the loss of my happiness, my contentment. They would result in so much negativity simply because I didn't work on myself. Let me remove the hate I have, the selfishness that I have.